Hey, this is Charles Draven from Map Syndicate, and today I'm going to talk about how you can earn more while doing less. So that's the whole idea here, especially if you are thinking about building a business online. There are so many different types of businesses out there. Even nowadays, a lot of people want to be social media influencers. They want to build up their own YouTube channels, but there's a lot of work that you might consider, but there are ways to streamline it and build up a business even faster if your whole goal here is to help out other people and earn income along the way. So let's talk about streamlining your earning potential. So first of all, I am a MAP affiliate, a Master Affiliate Profits affiliate. And one of the biggest things with this system is that they've built up the infrastructure to automate a lot of the work for you. It's not automating everything. You still have to focus on marketing, but a lot of the sales processes, a lot of the follow-up processes have been set up. So the main thing is that you're just creating an account and using a link. That one link can actually lead to multiple income streams, which I'll talk about soon. But the whole idea here is to have a system where a lot of the work has been done for you. So you might have heard about just investing in something, having a business in a box. There are so many different types of like franchises, different types of business opportunities out there, but there aren't too many where the focus is minimizing a lot of the work that you do. And so I believe that MAP has been able to create a very simple user experience to help people build up a business online, again, with a lot of work done for you. So that means less time and effort on your part. And also, it says explore a range of earning avenues within MAP to diversify your income. That includes passive income, commission-based opportunities, and you can actually do a lot of these things online. So most of this is built using something called um, digital marketing. A lot of these processes, a lot of these systems are using digital marketing. So if you don't want to do the traditional stuff of calling people on the phone, you don't want to go ahead and do meetings, you don't want to meet up with people, you want to be able to have a more flexible schedule, do things on your own terms, and be able to build a business just about anywhere in the world on your own time, then this will help you out. And MAP is set up to help maximize that. And it also has the ability to make money from a wide variety of different income streams. So that's actually built into the MAP ecosystem. Next thing is minimal time investment. If you look into this, like compared to a traditional business, for myself, I used to have a financial services business. I was making calls around the clock. I was meeting up with a lot of clientele. I was driving to their place where they lived or to even doing like lunch and dinner appointments. And so if you think about all that time commuting, a lot of that time making phone calls, a lot of that is a lot of busy work, a lot of things that are needed to actually fulfill the duties for a traditional business. If you build up a business online, especially utilize MAP, which is again a system that has this whole thing with efficiency and being able to save a lot of time, being able to do to build a business while not doing all the work. There's so many things here that are optimized for that. So I truly feel that this business is set up for you to spend the least amount of time doing a lot of the busy administrative work that is done in a lot of the traditional businesses. And even on online businesses, I have run businesses in the past that require a lot more effort than what's involved in MAP. So you get comprehensive support. Not only do you get like these step-by-step tutorials that are designed to help people build from beginner to advanced knowledge in digital marketing, but you get mentorship. You're able to connect to the founders, with the founders of the company. You're able to connect with a lot of people that are building a business just like yourself with the supportive community on Facebook. And that will help you build up a business over time. And they do have live sessions. If you do join as a platinum member, you're able to communicate with people during these meetings. So you could ask your questions and get your questions answered. So a lot of cool stuff. And then a simple enrollment process. Want to mention this because when people join businesses, it can take a lot of effort. So, for example, when I first started my financial consulting business, I said, okay, I want to go ahead and work for a brokerage. But then in order to actually start doing my work to generate income, I had to go to a certification class. I had to take this 1 week. I think it was like a 52-hour training. And then I also had to take tests for a federal level. They call that like the Series 6 and 63. That's to be able to sell some types of investments like mutual funds and annuities, variable annuities, and then insurance and health insurance. Also had to pass, the federal and state exams. So a lot of work involved. And it took several months for me to get those licenses before I could actually start the business. And when I started the business, then they mentioned, okay, you also have to buy insurance. You have to buy errors and emissions insurance. I think it was like $1 million worth of insurance and all these different things. And so what I'm trying to say, it took months before I could actually start doing the business. I had a friend that built up a franchise. He built up a business based on a franchise, a very, very well-known franchise. I'll just say that. And just going through city permits and planning, it took him like well over a year and a half to actually start building his business where he could start bringing in his employees into the building. And from the beginning to the end of him getting the permits, he still had to pay for rent because he had to lock in his actual location. So he was paying rent for close to, again, a year and a half before he could actually start making money from his business. So in terms of that, the process here is simple. If you sign up for Master Affiliate Profits, you'll be able to start promoting the business. And if you don't have any experience, at least you have the basics of being able to promote the business within, like, let's say 1 to, I would say, like 3 hours, you can get the initial training. And then if you decide to learn more over time, that is up to you. That's something that I highly recommend. And then tap into the live webinars and be able to ask your questions. So the process is straightforward. Sign up, you're pretty much ready to go. There are additional optional things that you could do, but for the most part, you can actually start building a business, start making money just within minutes. So that's how easy it is, a lot less effort compared to these other business models that I've been talking about. So if you really want to learn about Master Affiliate Profits, how you can simplify your life through building a business like this, and then also learn about building a business from home, make sure that you check out the link in my description, and then I'll be able to provide you my video training, which goes through the various steps. I actually have like 7 videos that are geared to help you build a business online. Thank you for watching.